guys, welcome to my first video. Today I'll be using a heat press to transfer a sublimation print onto a mug. So first you'll need a mug press, a mug, a design that's printed on the TexPrintR paper, some gloves that'll keep your hands safe from the heat, some heat safe tape, a piece of Teflon or parchment paper, some scissors, and you'll want to cut your design down to fit the mug. So line it up to the mug. And I think I have to trim it down a little bit more. Alright, now it should just fit around the mug and I should be able to tape it. You want to make sure to tape it really tight to the mug so that there's no movement of the design when it transfers. And you put your Teflon sheet or piece of parchment paper around the design. And now you want to set the heat press, so turn it on, set it to 400 degrees. And we're going to do this for 240 seconds. Alright, now that our heat press is heated, we're going to put in our mug. There's a fairly firm pressure applied to this, and we're going to set the timer. Alright, and 240 seconds is up. And we'll remove our mug. This is a good time to put on your gloves because it's very hot. Usually the paper and the Teflon sheet don't come off that easily, but there we go. There's the mug. I'll see you next week for my next video.